Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic: transfer data to another table which has hidden rows. We will use Vlookup and go to special. You see, this is our table 1. It has data, and it is table 2. It has code but no value. It has one hidden row. You see, between 14 and 16, the row number 15 is hidden. We will use VLOOKUP formula with Go To Special. The purpose of Go To Special is it has few options. We would like to copy our formula only in visible cells only. This is visible cells only. We copy our formula in visible cells only. Therefore, we use Go To Special. We want that actually we have a table that has data, but in another table has hidden rows. We don't want to open those hidden rows, therefore we use go to special and click on visible cells only. Formula copy in visible cells only. We don't want to unhide hidden rows. Therefore we use go to special and copy this formula in visible cells only. How to use it? Let's do it. Equal to VLOOKUP, let it open, code, comma, this is our table, range, shift F4 to fix the range, comma, we require data of column 2, column 1, column 2, therefore we type here 2, false. Here you see we get result 1211. We require a value in 1213 and 12414. You see here one row is hidden. We don't want to copy this formula in hidden row, therefore we just copy this formula and select all cells, then select go to special. Here you see the formula visible cells only. Here you see the option visible cells only. If I click this, then it will select only visible cells, and then I paste it. Here you see the result 1213, 3000, 3000, 1214, 4000, 4000. Now we see if we unhide this row, we see the VLOOKUP formula not copied in hidden row, serial number 15 and code number 1212, because we don't want to copy formula in hidden rows. We do it by using go to special and select visible cells only, therefore automatically select visible cells, therefore it is not copied in hidden rows. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any query, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much.